Hello, I'm back, and I'm doing another video kind of referring to my last video on good quality knives. This knife was a Joker switchblade. When it did work, you just flick that and it would spring open. It might still, maybe. No. Anyway, so this is it after throwing it a lot of times. But now it's okay. It's kind of a butterfly knife now. Yeah. So, yep, so that's why I stick to these types of knives, little mini-me ones. These ones I actually prefer over huge ones. This one's, the blade's probably like 1.5 inches. You know, I like them. It's a little small to my hand, but it's okay. It'll get the job done. That one's a Winchester. That's like probably like $8 knife. This one, here in the state that I live in, these you can actually carry around. But this one's much larger. So anyways, so now I just got a butterfly knife. Which is, I don't think it's meant for this. Unless they intended for it to break and you'd have a little more fun with it. So, yeah. I should get a butterfly knife just to test my skills. Yep, so that's another reason why you shouldn't throw knives, because you'll go through about a dozen of them. So let's see if I can break it. I don't know. This did last me for a long time, though. This was about 30 bucks on Blade Ops or Blade Play or whatever one. I think this is, I don't know how long. This knife is 11 inches, so this one is about 10. So that's good. Oh snap. I'll do a video on how to throw a knife since I just already brought it up. I think that would make a pretty good video since I'm kind of good at it. I'm trying to break it somehow. They don't walk up on my fingers. Plus another thing I have to give to this knife is that the blade is like awesome. Like usually like the tips bend and this one hasn't, for how much abuse I've given it. But I would not recommend to buy this knife at all. It's cool though, like it's like a little butterfly knife. Wonder if I could still throw it. Let's see. Probably not. Maybe. Throw a broken knife. Okay, let's see this. Test my skills on throwing knives. Broken knife. Nope. Let's see. Ooh, maybe. Cool. So, that's, I guess, like a preview of what's coming next on my next video. Throwing knives. Finger right there. Went in that far. That's cool. Alright, I'll do, I don't know. If anybody does even watch these, I don't even know. This video will probably get freaking 5 views, but if somebody does watch it and made it through this whole video since it's going on 5 minutes, please leave a comment on what I should do next. And I am poor, so be gentle on what I should do. Alright, let's see if I can throw uno más time. Let me close it so I feel cool when I open it. Okay. Ninja. Okay. Nope, came back. Alright, bye-bye, thank you for watching. Ooh, wait, it's gonna break. Let's see. This one is built to last, I guess. This pivin's being a bitch. Ooh, there we go, I got it. Sorry you had to wait. I got it. Pretty cool. $30 out the window. Less than 2 weeks. Maybe I can throw this now. Let's see, maybe. Little coup knife. Ooh, looks a whole lot better. Oops. One more time. After this, I'll just shut it off. Fuck it. Alright, thank you.